That sounds so good. Oh, listen to that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys heard from the previous video, the bike is sounding insane. I didn't expect the bike to sound that good. I knew it was gonna sound good because the exhaust 2-into-1, you have more back pressure going into one muffler instead of two mufflers. But wow, was I so impressed with how the bike sounds. So I cannot wait. Today, what we're doing, I'm almost at JD Cycle Works, and what we're gonna do today is put the bike on the dyno. Dave already dyno tuned the bike. That's what he does early in the morning. Probably starts at around 6:30 a.m. But I didn't want to bother him, and nor does he want anybody really while he's tuning the bike in the dyno room. So this way he's just not bothered and he could just do his thing, and I totally get that. So I'm coming now, it's about 10:30 a.m. and I'm gonna show you guys the bike on the dyno with a couple runs, and we're gonna go over the numbers. It's a stage 2. I wanted just to do a simple build, and I'll go over pretty much after the bike is done, after I bring it home. I wanna make a video, basically what was my thought process behind this build, because it's basically so different to Silverback. So we're here now at JD Cycle Works. Let me take you guys inside. We'll slap the bike on the dyno and give her a couple runs. Let you guys hear how this friggin' beast sounds, because this sounds absolutely insane. I am just super psyched. I cannot wait. And then hopefully, if Dave has time today, maybe we could get the bars and the suspension started. So stay tuned. Dave says he likes my shirt. Good morning, Dave.
Great shirt.
Of course, it's a great shirt.
So, all right, so here we go. It's time to see what this thing does.
Let's go. I was just telling everybody how impressed I was with the Chromeworks 2-into-1. Always had the 2-into-2, and this, I just loved how this pipe sounds.
Yeah. Well, you're going to get to hear a lot of it.
All right. Do I need some ear protection?
I recommend that.
Yeah.
It's probably not a
Here we go. We'll throw this on over here.
Yeah, it's still all hot. See? All right. I'm going to warm it up a little bit.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's do this. Sounds so good. Wow. do we get?
Check it out. 117 torque, 116 horse. Here is original. That's where she rolled in at.
Rolled in at 99 torque, right?
And 75 horse.
75 horse.
Rolling out with 117.5 and 116.1 horsepower.
Yeah, that's pretty much, I mean, on a 107, that's normal.
Yeah, and the horsepower is up a little more than I normally see.
Uh-huh.
In horsepower wise. But it worked out nice. Not too soft down here, but it comes up nice and hard and just goes.
Sweet.
Yep.
And what is it? Wow, it redlines at
62.
60. Oh, great.
Yep.
Wow. That's really nice.
Yeah, she carries right out there.
Yeah. Looks like it carried a little further than my other ones with the 475.
It does carry nice, yep.
Yeah.
It does seem to carry a little further.
Wow.
You know,
could that be with the exhaust?
Yeah, that changes that.
Yeah. So now you're saying if with a 2-into-2, I would get a little more torque.
It'd be similar.
Similar?
Actually, it's very similar, which is not bad. Which is actually pretty good.
Just curious, can you pull up my 114 on Silverback, 114 with the 475? Just curious.
Yeah. There you go, find it here. That's in a whole different file. You can see it towers here, but again, it's a bigger engine. But
right,
here,
but only 4. I mean, by only by only 7.
Yeah,
but a lot more torque. Wow.
Yeah, the top end is really catching it though.
Right.
So that's all in the pipe. It's a little. It's a little soft here, which I expected.
Right.
But it comes up strong and it just goes nice and flat.
Right.
Where this here pipe has a little more curve to it.
Right.
The 2-into-2. But again, it's 114 versus 107.
Right.
You know, so not bad.
Nice.
And
I'm happy.
yeah,
I'm happy.
I'll get you down the highway.
Yeah, absolutely. Great job again.
Great.
Nice power. Yeah, so like I said, I just wanted something, nice power, nice sound, you know, and really reliable.
Yep.
You know what I mean? I didn't want to go start switching like I did on the last one with the compensator and the clutch. And so as far as the clutch, we should be good, right, for this power? Yeah.
Yeah, next feels like there's a little more pressure on this spring too.
Oh, really?
Than the 21s.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, because the 21s would slip sometimes. I'd be putting bigger springs in them.
Right.
And this one here actually feels a little firmer.
Awesome.
So they may have beefed up that spring a little bit.
Nice.
Yeah,
so I'm pumped. I'm psyched. I can't wait because there's so much other stuff that's going to be so different as far as the bars, the suspension setup.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now we can get to the next stuff. I'll push this back in a little bit. This one's going to get a little more power to it.
All right, guys, so there you have it, 116 horsepower and almost 118 foot-pounds of torque. Absolutely sufficient for the bike and for me. Obviously, just coming off of Silverback, having 154 horsepower, yeah, it's going to be a change, but honestly, it's more than enough. I plan on doing a lot of miles on the bike, and I want it as reliable as possible. But the bike is just going to have just so many cool and other amazing things on it. It looks wicked now. It sounds so good. Oh, listen to that. Yes, exactly.
That idle.
That's right, that idle.
That sounds lucky. That's not 475 yet?
Yeah. So we're going to tear into this, Dave.
Alright.
Yes.
I just gotta check the air, put the seat on this, and then I'm done with this thing.
All right.
Yes.
Then should we
Tear
do it
into
on this
it.
lift or that lift? Maybe over here.
Don't matter to me. Don't matter to me. I mean, that lift's empty. I don't care.
I guess we're doing it on that lift.
Yeah.
Left. Yep. There you go.
More work for ourselves.
idle is ferocious.
I need to reach out for that thing if you want to throw something on there.
Yeah, in the dining room, there's boxes full of them.
Okay. Boxes full of them.
Yeah.
How's it shift? Easy.
Seems to be shifting decent.
Nice, right?
I know.
Yeah.
So we're gonna tear into this front suspension, John.
Let's tear into it.
Let's see what kind of excitement we can have here.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this, the bar and the suspension setup.
Yeah. I have to cut it up into like 3 weeks of videos.
Oh yeah, absolutely.